In this video, we're looking at a feature that allows us to remaster or improve the quality of GIFs. GIFs, those short looping videos that we all love sending to friends and family. They're great for expression and adding a bit of excitement to an instant message. But sometimes, an otherwise perfect GIF might be blurry or pixelated, which takes away from the experience. Thankfully, we're able to fix this with the all-new Galaxy S23. To begin with, you'd simply tap on Gallery. Select the GIF in question. Once you tap on the three dots for options, you'll see Remaster GIF. Tap on the option and give the phone a little time to upscale and increase the resolution of the GIF. This shouldn't take more than a few seconds. Now, once complete, you'll also have the option of comparing the before and after of the GIF. If satisfied, you'd simply tap Save, and that's it.